everybody knows in the jewelry trade the North Bennett Street School. There's no other jewelry program like this, and when you leave, you have a solid knowledge of the jewelry industry and trade, and people know that. The jewelry program at North Bennett Street School is an 18-month program. It's broken into 2 years of 9 months per each year. I look for a student coming in that is so excited about being a jeweler, that wants to learn everything possible, that asks good questions, that is sad when the day is ending because they know there's more they can do. The training that North Bennett Street School provides is a very broad overview of the entire jewelry industry. You start off with your fundamentals and you get more in depth with different topics, everything from your basic hand skills to your stone setting. You learn how to work with the stones at the bench, how your stones work with heat or without heat, basics of casting and CAD, and these are all items that you would not learn in an apprenticeship or in a liberal arts program. I was speaking with a jeweler and she told me that she will hire a North Bennett grad at a higher rate than somebody coming out of an art school because they have the finishing skills, they know stone setting, they know fabrication, they have a much more broad idea of the techniques to be an actual jeweler or goldsmith. So there's multiple career paths that a student can have leaving here. Anything from working in your typical mom and pop shop to working in a more manufacturing setting, working for stone setters. Traveling on the West Coast, I love to go into random jewelry stores, and if I say I trained here 9 times out of 10, they've heard of the school. There's no other 2-year hyper-focused program in this country. You can take metalsmithing classes, boot camp stone setting, but there's nothing like this that covers all of the fundamentals. Our graduates are top-notch and set up for success.